What is going on, everyone? Tutorial Tim here, and today we're going to be getting started with going through our design system and ensuring that everything has auto layout as needed. In the way we're going to go about approaching the rest of this course as we migrate not only to ensuring all of our components in this material design system have auto layout, we want to also ensure that it has all of these states, which will be the next section in the course. And then after that, the last section will be organizing and publishing our components. And we're going to be organizing our components by using variants. So all of our components will be organized properly for designers to use before we publish this library. Now, some things to note as we begin this part of the course is we'll need to have our file. So here you can go ahead and duplicate my file in the Figma Community Beta. The link will be in the description. All you have to do is click on this button right here, or you can view this here. And you'll see that there's a thumbnail page, and we'll have all of our components here to access. All you got to do is click duplicate, select the account you want it to be duplicated for, and then we can go over to our organizing and publishing page, and you'll notice that everything that we've built out so far in this series in the course is available within this file. And you can see that all of the text, color, and effect styles and grid styles are here, and I have some examples of everything laid out, all the components we've built so far, like we got also the primitive level elements such as text, color, typography, like the foundation of states, elevation, and our icons. And you'll notice that we have our buttons here, and we're going to go ahead and video by video build out all of these components with the states, the auto layout if it's needed, which will determine video by video, and also just migrating everything to have variants. That way it's using all of Figma's features to ensure you have the most efficient and scalable design system possible for your designers to use. And that is pretty much it in this video. One thing you will notice is that if you do not have a professional team, you will not be able to publish all of the components, but you will be able to publish all of the styles to reuse them. So in my case, I have a professional team already, which I can move this to, and I can go ahead and move it to the auto layout section, and then I can go ahead and publish every single component in the system. And I can click publish, and it'll take a little bit to publish. So I'm going to pause the video. Components have been successfully published. For those of you who do have a professional team, you can go about contributing to a library. So the one thing students taking this course won't have is the ability to probably publish to a library unless you pay for the professional team. But don't worry, the only benefit you won't be getting in that scenario is the ability to contribute to a library, which could be useful in terms of getting reps into contributing to a real library, because that could be like a real world scenario where, say, you join a design systems team as a UI designer, and you need to start contributing to a library. That's where you would get the benefits if you were to pay for the professional team to understand how that works. But we don't have to worry about that. What we'll be doing is I will be publishing all the components as files here to my community profile, and all you'll have to do is go ahead and duplicate it, open up that file, and we'll get started on building out our components. So for example, in the next video, you'll be duplicating this file, and we'll be getting started with adding auto layout and just going about that. And we'll do that for every single component. We'll go in and add the auto layout, and then after that, we'll add in all the states for that component, and then after that, we'll go ahead and add variants. And that will sum it up for the rest of the course. And that's all I have for getting started in this section of the course. This is kind of like the second half here. I hope you're enjoying this and learning a lot, and I will catch you in the next one. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.